Report Chart, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. This week we had a lot of really big earnings in the cannabis industry. Some were really great like GTI, some not so good like Kronos Group. So we're going to get right into them. Look, if you want more details on some of them, head to the website and you'll get more in-depth reporting. All right, here we go. Green Thumb Industries this week reported total revenue in the fourth quarter of $243 million. That was up 37%. Their net income was $22 million. And listen to this, folks, their full year revenues came in at $893 million. That company is cooking on all cylinders. Kronos Group, though, not as great. That company had revenue in the fourth quarter of $25 million, but once again, they reported net losses of $133 million. Now, for the full year, they did have revenue of $74 million, but again, for the full year, their operating losses were a staggering $560 million, and their net loss was $389 million. Moving on, Village Farms reported sales in the fourth quarter of $72 million. That was an increase of 55%. Sales for the full year were $268 million. The Valons Group reported revenue of $23 million for the fourth quarter. Now that fell sequentially from the third quarter. Their total sales for the full year were $90 million, and they gave revenue guidance for 2023 of $225 million. So they are feeling very positive about the future. Both hydroponic companies struggled a little bit this quarter. GrowGen reported rising revenue, but the company said that their same-store sales had dropped. And Hydrofarm also reported rising revenue, but they said that all their increases came from acquisitions, not organic growth. Now, Cureleaf has been under the microscope for their Russian connections. The company had this to say about their earnings. And Tilray Brands is striking up a partnership with Hexo Corp. They're buying their debt for $211 million. Now, you may recall in December, Hexo said that they were struggling to pay their debt and that they had a lot of trouble. So it looks like Tilray is basically bailing them out. And we are excited that this is Women's History Month. And we also announced our Women's Summit here in New York City on April 28th. So head to the website if you want to register for that. And we are also launching our Women's Leadership Awards. So you can also get the link on that on our registration page. And that's it for this week. I'm Deborah Borchardt reporting from Times Square for the Green Market Report.